Did you know that BJ's Warehouse now carries Social Kitchen's sweet and spicy shrimp? I headed there today to pick up a box because tonight we're making sweet and spicy shrimp tacos with a creamy lime slaw. To get started, we're going to make our dressing by mixing mayonnaise, fresh lime juice, and seasonings. Give everything a good stir and pour over top of your coleslaw mix. Then we're just going to cover and refrigerate while we make our shrimp. This Social Kitchen sweet and spicy shrimp is the perfect easy meal to cook in your air fryer. Just cook at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. While our shrimp is cooking, we're going to go ahead and thaw our sweet and spicy sauce. Once the shrimp is done, place it in a bowl to cool. And now, can we just take a moment to appreciate the amazing crispy texture and crunch? So good, right? Now drizzle with your sweet and spicy sauce and you're ready to assemble your taco. To a tortilla, add your shrimp, creamy lime slaw, and enjoy. Shop Social Kitchen's sweet and spicy shrimp at your local BJ's Warehouse and comment taco for the full recipe.